You are getting very close to receiving the keys of your future home. The final walkthrough will allow us to confirm that the repairs that were requested were indeed finalized by the seller, or simply to check that the property is in the same conditions as when we got into contract. Stay tuned to know what your recourse is in the event that the repairs are not completed or your future home got vandalized. Although most of the time the seller will procure to complete all the repairs and to have the home ready for your final walkthrough, there are seldom times when the HVAC unit breaks down or the property gets vandalized. Based on these conditions, your recourse will be extending the clause of escrow and request the seller to correct all defects. Once that you agree with your home final walkthrough, you will be ready to sign your closing packet. This could be done electronically at the title company office or any other location that you want. You and your mortgage company will wire the funds to the title company account, and as soon as the property is recorded at Clark County office, you will receive the keys of your home. Congratulations! You are officially a homeowner. Please note that my job does not finish here. I am your source of information, and please feel free to call, text at any time. I treat my clients as my family. Therefore, I will visit you on special occasions and provide the most updated information on the residential market. I look forward to serving your family and friends with the same care and detail I did with you. We will be in touch.